In a significant tribute to Karnataka's cricket legends, the newly inaugurated Kreeda Junction in Bengaluru stands as a symbol of their enduring strength. G.R. Vishwanath's graceful square cut, B.S. Chandrasekhar's unplayable leg spin, Shantha Rangaswamy's power hitting and EAS Prasanna's mystical spin are immortalized in 10 murals beneath the Richmond Circle flyover, formerly known as Double Road Junction. As part of the Brand Bengaluru initiative aimed at enhancing spaces under flyovers, the murals pay homage to cricket icons like Roger Binny, Syed Kirmani, Subramanya, Anil Kumble, Rahul Dravid and Javagal Srinath. These artistic representations not only celebrate the skill, craft and guile of these cricket maestros but also mark the 50th anniversary of Karnataka's inaugural Ranji Trophy triumph. The initiative, a joint effort by the non-profit organization India Rising Trust and Bruhat Bengaluru Mahanagara Palike, is the first of its kind outside M. Chinnaswamy Stadium, transforming a public space into a visual ode to rich cricketing heritage of Karnataka. The renamed Kreeda Junction serves as a reminder of the state's cricketing prowess and the indelible mark left by these sporting legends.
Yep.